Hi, today we are going to look into a public sector undertaking, which is the only wagon manufacturer in the public sector today. It is known as Birthright and Co. It was established in 1913 as the Indian subsidiary of Birthright and Co. Engineers Limited UK. And in fact, the UK company survives till date and is a specialist in manufacturing tanks. The company was set up for fabrication of steel works, and in February 1930 it was incorporated as a separate company known as Birthright and Co. India Limited at Calcutta. In 1934, the Clive Works were set up in Calcutta to manufacture railway wagons, and in 1960 the Angus Works was set up to manufacture cranes, foundry products. In 1976, the company was nationalized and it became a public sector undertaking. In 1978, the project division was opened at Kolkata, and in 1987, the Works was set up to produce vessels, railway wagons, and heavy structures. Today, it has three units, mainly the Clive Works, the Victoria Works, which is in Calcutta, and Angas Works. In 1986, the control of the PSU was transferred to Bhari Udyog Nigam Limited. This was a PSU conglomerate and was formed to take control of many engineering PSUs in order to work them efficiently. But unfortunately, this experiment failed and the company suffered many losses. Though Birthright was one of the better performing PSUs among all the holding companies of BBUNL, and in 2010, in order to help the company achieve better performance, the control was transferred to railways, and from then the PSU has been able to perform well. While in 2013-14 it had to suffer due to steep decrease in wagon prices, it has been able to pick up its performance, and by 2018 it was making profits of around 3 crores a year, and half of its revenues was coming from wagon repairs. In the same year, it was able to deliver 15 milk tanks to Amul, which is a very specialized wagon. In 2019, its performance improved even further and had a profit of around 10 crores. The wagon repairing business also picked up for it, as it picked up an order from Eastern Coastal Railway for repairing of 1000 wagons. It also now aims to increase the production of wagon from 80 per month to 200 per month, and had an order book of around 600 crores. It has also started to export wagons to other countries, and in 2020 it got a boost in the form of the Howrah unit of Burn Standard, which was transferred to its administrative controls. Being the only public sector unit in India which produces wagons, we hope that its strong performance continues and it grows leaps and bounds, so that most wagons that are used in Indian railways are produced by it in the future. If you have liked our videos, do share it and also subscribe to our channel for more other such videos.